Welcome back everyone. This is the part 2 of my The Power of Dynamic Range series video. Um, Now I'm going to show you how to make actually a range, a dynamic range. In order to do that, what you need to do is uh, click the formulas and click on the name range. Okay, you can see I have already created a lot of name ranges, but I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so create a new click that new button and give a name to that new button. We want to create a dynamic range for the column A, which is the year. Okay, so we just put YR for year, and here we need to select the range of the dynamic column, which is year. In this case we want to start with um, offset function. So type offset, and the first reference point is the first row where my data is starting, and then 0 and 0, and then we'll use count A, and then go to our first reference cell and select all the cells of that column, close this bracket and press as type 1 and finish. So that is our dynamic range. If you select this year and just put your mouse here, you can see that the current active range is selected. This is because the count a function will give you the number of rows that has a value in it. Okay, so this is why we are using count a. And the offset function, I have discussed it in my previous video, or if you want, just send me a line or two. I'll discuss it again, what is this offset function does. Anyway, similarly we can use another dynamic range for the total column. What we need to do is, instead of A, we just want to change that to column B. Okay, so um, now for the total amount, we have created a total or totals or whatever. You can see that instead of A, in my previous column, dynamic column, where you just substitute by B, and this gives us a dynamic range of the uh, total column. Okay, now when we want to create a graph, for instance in this graph, if you click in the bar and go to the data source or data series, you will see that the currently just select in any one of these and go to edit. You see it has selected the range from B5 to B15. Okay, because it is a static one, when you add a new data into the table, new row, it will not be updated automatically. In order to update this table automatically, or make this graph dynamic, we want to use that dynamic column name that we have selected, which is total. Okay, and similarly, this is the year. We don't want to use year. You just delete from here, delete the current range and put that I think we have created YR for year, and click OK. So that's it. Now your graph is dynamic. To prove that, let's add another line, 2016. You can see that it's already added another column, another bar in the graph. Put any value in here, it will be updated automatically. So in my next video, I will show how to create uh, the average line, which is very interesting. Okay, stay tuned.